2 minute cartoon.
A short story. Strong or weak? Once upon a time, there was a proud teak tree in the forest. He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The teak tree said, "I'm very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me." Hearing this, the herb replied, "Dear friend, too much pride is harmful. Even the strong will fall one day." The teak ignored the herb's word. He continued to praise himself. One day, a strong wind blew. The teak stood firmly, even when it rained. The teak stood strong by spreading its leaves. At the same time, the herb bowed below. The teak made fun of the herb. After a few days, there was a storm in the forest. The herb bowed low. As usual, the teak didn't want to bow. The storm kept growing stronger. The teak could not longer bear it. He felt his strength giving away. He fell down. This was the end of the proud tree. When everything was calm, the herb stood straight. He looked around. He saw the proud teak had fallen. Moral: never make fun of those who are weak than you. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share my video.